This 100-watt solar panel kit is basically a generator in a suitcase. The 100-watt solar panel kit comes with 2 pieces of foldable solar panels, 50-watt high-efficiency grade A monocrystalline panels, has a 10-amp charge controller, can work as a battery or a generator kit or both. The 100-watt solar panel kit can act as a charger or a generator. With MC4 connectors, can charge a 12-volt car battery or even your boat marine batteries or cell gel batteries. This 100-watt solar panel system is very portable and easy to set up with pre-installed stands. Kit does not need separate mounting brackets. It weighs only 33 pounds and the size is 16.69 inches by 25.6 inches by 2.9 inches. You can take it anywhere you want, set it up in just minutes. This is an awesome system. Go to foldablesolarpanelstore.com and get yours now.